How's it going, YouTube? Quick unboxing of the Neu Castle motor. I believe it's a Chinese replica, excuse me. But it was on sale for, I believe, 36 bucks. So you can't beat that. There's some weight to it as well. Not sure what I'm gonna put it in yet. Hopefully we'll be putting it in and running at the same time. Oh, that's got a lot of torque there. Okay. I have to order some more of these. Alright, so keep you guys up to date. You know what's going on. How's it going, YouTube? Got the Thunder Tiger ST2, Phoenix ST2. I did go ahead and grab some parts for it. This is my little speed run car. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys why I haven't been running it, which was that plate right there was broken. So I went ahead and ordered one and finally got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together and get some more speed runs with it. And I also ordered some hobby part 2.8 tires. Get you guys a part number right there. It was 24 bucks for 4. And let me go ahead and here's out the package. So these are the tires. You can see got some good. They're not glued. So what I would do is I am gonna tape the insides and glue it, prevent ballooning. But 24 bucks for 4 of them, you couldn't beat it. They're not for this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these for the Rustler or what, but it's just some decent tires. Couldn't pass it up. I'll let you know how they hold up. Pretty nice. Also, as I said earlier, I had got the Castle, but I don't have no ESC to fit those, so the bullet connectors. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna order one to fit or take the ones off for this one. I'm not really sure yet, but I'll figure it out. Anyway, I'll let you know how the tires hold up. Go ahead and get that plate, so this will be running soon. And let me take this off the bench. Show you guys the second T-Max. That's being built. I'll show you guys a little section of the see the cars down there, but this is a T-Max, and this is just was testing it out, but I did go ahead and fix that. A bit dirty, been sitting, but this is everything aluminum. Has CVDs front and rear. Has CVDs underneath. The pin for the back one came out, so I put a plastic one for now. I'll probably order another one. I'll fix the transmission, and everything else is ready to go. Thinking of putting this motor in there, 2650, which I have in the other T-Max, but not too sure. I have to find out what I'm gonna do about these bullet connectors. Don't fit in the ESC. This is just a temporary, just to see if everything was good with it. But anyway, guys, just a quick update. Show you guys a few things that I got, and keep you guys up to date. Thanks for watching.